this is JOATD coming back with a new video. Here in front of you is a new tool that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace. This right here is a Delta B.O.S.S bench oscillating spindle sander. That is what the B.O.S.S stands for, bench oscillating spindle sander. Alright, let's talk about this sander. Alright, I'll move here on the side. Alright, so when you get this sander used, it should come with 5 drums. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, mine only came with 4. I am missing the 3-inch drum here. Come around to the back. It should also come with a dust collecting bag. If you go down here to the bottom, that is the model number 31-780. Come around here on the side. These are the inserts, okay? You should have 5 of these. They are for the drums. These right here are washers. You should have 4 of those. And these are also for the drums. This right here is a Allen wrench. You should get one of these. It's a 3/16 Allen wrench. You should also get a, let's see, got it right here, a wrench. Okay, you need that wrench to be able to take off the actual drum. This wrench right here is a 1/2 inch or a 13mm socket wrench. Right, come around to the front. You're gonna get an on and off button. I think it also has a key. Yep, and it's gonna come with the key. So if you get it and it doesn't have the key, you can actually buy these. So slide the key back in. All right, this table right here is 18 inches. That's the size of the table from left to right, up, down. It's 18 inches. Now, these inserts right here, the purpose of these inserts are to make it so that you can't pinch the material or your hand between the sandpaper and this hole right here. So whatever size drum you put here, you're gonna have to put a insert that's the right size. Each insert has a diameter in the inside that goes around the drum. Okay, now for some of you who may be missing drums and inserts and don't know what size sandpaper to get, this right here, I ordered this kit. I don't know if you can still order this kit, but I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. Somebody actually had this kit, I guess, sitting around. It's a Delta, and the model number is 31-741. It is a drum sleeve and insert kit. Okay, let's open it up. So let's check out what came in the kit. All right, right here you got your inserts. We're gonna open them. These are your inserts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 inserts. Let's see what else is in here. All right, so you're gonna get 5 drums. Each drum has a 100 grit sandpaper already around it. Now, the one that I was missing was this one, this big boy right here. this is a 3-inch drum that goes with that insert. Okay, the next one would be a 2-inch drum. That's going to go in this insert here. Let's see, this one right here is a 1 1/2 inch drum. That's going to go here in that insert. You're also going to get a 1-inch drum. That's going to go here. And you're going to get a 3/4 inch drum. And that goes with this one. So in total, you're going to get 5 drums, 5 inserts, and 5 pieces of sandpaper for the drum, which are 100 grit. Okay. Now, you're also going to get washers. These washers are for the drum. This is it right here. I'm going to open this up. All right. So this one right here is obviously for the 3-inch. Goes right there. Move it up just a little bit so you can see. And let's see. This one is for the 2-inch. That's how it looks. 2-inch. And this one's for the 1 1/2 inch. And you got the 1-inch, goes here. And you have the 3/4 inch, goes right on top of here. Okay, so that's everything you're gonna get in the kit itself. Now, like I said, you may still be able to purchase this kit. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. Everything was brand new. And that is the actual part number for it. All right. Now, to install one of these sleeves onto the table, I'm going to move this out the way so you can have a better view. What you do is you just pull this. See, that's the sandpaper itself. It just goes around the sleeve. This is an old sleeve. All right. So basically, what you do is you're also going to have this bolt right here. Like I said, this is a 13 millimeter or a 1/2 inch head. Now, when you screw this into the shaft here, it's going to go to the left to tighten. You see that? That's how you tighten this down. It goes to the left. It's opposite, you know, of the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's actually turn to the left, it tightens. Turn to the right, it loosens. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you're going to take any one of these sandpapers. Let's go with the big one first, just because I didn't have this one. Okay. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put this big ring just like that. Okay. Next thing you're going to do, now this will come out if you push. See that? So just wanted to show you that. You're going to slide this over this shaft here. There you go. See that? Now you're going to take this big washer, put it right on top. Then you're going to put the bolt in. I'm going to turn it to the left. Keep turning it until you get it all the way down, just like that. Now, To tighten and loosen the nut, you have to grab it here. Make sure it's unplugged. Even if it's off, I would still unplug it. You're gonna grab it here and you're gonna turn it to the left. Just turn it to the left until you get it as tight as you need it to be. There you go. Okay, to take it loose, you grab it again, making sure that it's unplugged, and you turn it to the right. There's no way to stop the shaft from spinning inside of the drum other than squeezing this. Okay. Take this loose. What I'm going to do is give you a demonstration of it turning on and show you why it's called an oscillating spindle sander. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put this back. Like I said, grab and just tighten. So you can turn this and it'll stop eventually. See, it stops. Can't tighten it anymore. Let's turn it on. Let's go ahead and remove everything first. Make sure that when you're using this tool that you want to make sure that you put on some eye protection, all right? So let's go ahead and show you what it can do. And that's basically what you can do. We're gonna go ahead and take this one off. Remember I said unplug it before you do this. You don't know if this thing's gonna come on or not. Take this off. Just in there. Small one on. Go ahead and put the small one on. Make sure you turn to the left. Just hold it in the middle. Turn it until it stops. You're gonna take this one off. You're gonna put this smallest one on. Okay, now what I want you to see is, let's say you want to sand inside a piece of wood. You can put this over it just like that and turn this bad boy on. And that's what I like about it. So you can actually sand inside here. That's why they give you so many different sizes. Just to let you guys see that these sleeves do come out of the machine. I wanted to show you guys that too.